Swanee Radio. Alright, Judy LaNue is going to be announcing the guests as they come into the room. And let's get started right now. Say hello to Judy, everyone.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. So right now, the moment that we've all been waiting. Amen? Welcoming the wedding party. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all line up. Heartbeat to welcome the wedding party. David and Damiana Orchid City. David and Deanna Orchid City. All right. Starting with the best man, Adrian Tamika. Adrian Tamika is the dear cousin of David Orchid City. He will be escorted to Ring of Honor, Sofia Toledo. Luke Allen will be in the program. Let's welcome them in. Making her way in is Lee Montano, escorting his beautiful wife, Beverly Montano, all the way from Hilo, Hawaii. Beverly is Deanna's youngest sister. Making the grand entrance is Sally Alvaro, escorting his lovely wife, Rachel Alvaro. Rachel Julia and Connie Rose, Carol Alaska. The show is lovely couple for love. Right, girl? Now back. Making their way in is Sweet Silence Belonging in Seattle, Washington. Escorting his beautiful cousin, Rodrigo Malaima Malaima, from the city. One of his younger sisters. Coming through is Maximilian Muscati from Anchorage, Alaska, escorting the lovely Josephine Robertson. She is the baby of the Robertson Bunch. Let's go, Mia. Coming to all from Orange County, California, Daniel Hollis Jr., escorting his cousin Keisha Camilla. These two are both David's cousins. They're dear to his heart. Make your way in. Virginia Obama. Both are Deanna with nephew and niece. Virginia.
He cannot dance. But oh well, have fun.
Yep. From Orange County, California, Maya Tanaka, Victoria de Delightful, Dina Tapeli, Joel Singer. Maya is one of the greatest. All right, number 2 right now is Mr. Corey Naya from Alaska. Corey Tanaka, straight from Southern California. Contact one of David's first husband, and Corey will be rocking out the same model in 2 days today. Right now, Johnny Crew is our junior bridesmaid, the flower girl, and the rainbow star. At this moment, I ask a request for everybody to rise up on their feet, please, as we welcome the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. David Oaks.
Congratulations, everybody. This is your bride and groom at your wedding party. This is also your photo opportunity, so go ahead and take a picture. All right, friends. Now we're going to witness Diane and David have their very first dance together as husband and wife.
There you go.
And there's a couple of announcements that Judy would like to make. Go ahead, Judy.
At this time, while we're getting the
You
wedding
got it.
seated, I know we've all been waiting for this time.